Today we'll be installing the JCR air compressor bracket with the ARB twin air compressor. When you open your JCR bracket, this is what you will see inside. You will receive the lower bracket, your main air compressor bracket, and your lower piece. Preferably an 8mm drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, a metal pry tool, vice grips, and Allen keys. In addition, you will need to buy 8mm terminals and ADA circuit holders, and a couple more fuses. You use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 8 Phillips fender liner clips. You now need a 10mm to remove the 10mm nut on the OEM bracket. Now remove the black clip holding in the OEM bracket. Following, remove the OEM stud. Now you will need an 8mm to remove 3 nuts on the OEM bracket. Now you will grab your vice grips to bend the OEM bracket so that the JCR bracket will fit much better. Applied in the kit, you'll get this backing plate and you'll put it back into the OEM placement and then sandwich JCR bracket with the OEM bracket. Now you will need to install the fender clip, and now you're ready to install the JCR bracket. There will be 8 bolts that you need to install the JCR bracket into the twin air compressor. You will need to connect the provided switch into the harness that's provided. The twin air compressor does not come crimped with connectors, so you will need to install that. Now just connect everything together. Now with the ADA circuit, you will have to pull this fuse and add in the new one. Crimp your wires together. Add positive to positive and negative to negative.